We're at Parsons Lake here in just north of Collierville, Tennessee. Actually, it's Fisherton near Eads. And Jonathan and I are about to embark upon an adventure out there on the lake, way out there. So it's a beautiful day. It's going to be about 66, maybe 68 degrees today. And so we're going to hit the trail here. Never been out here before. What do you think, Jonathan?
Oh, it's nice. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah. Won't be able to find you in the woods, Jonathan.
Yeah. Camo.
Camo. All right, folks. More to come.
Straight cruising, headed for a bruising, watching out for number one. You gotta slow down and look around you, son. Today is just today and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now, you gotta get going. Easy now. Hard working so you can be deserving of the rest that you are given. You gotta slow down and look around you, son. Give a lot and live a little. Work with what you got. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be hid. You gotta get going. Easy now, you gotta get going. Easy now. Get along, give a hand, sleep heavy, be the man. Just there, where you are, do something, be the star. You gotta get going. Easy now, you gotta get going. Easy now.
Well, folks, I met with some disaster. I was flying my drone back over there, as you see the footage, and I was coming back in backwards, thinking I knew where I was, and I hit a pine tree limb up there, and it went right down in the water, right on the shoreline. Jonathan was able to retrieve it because I have an emergency little flasher and a beep on it, so he's able to find it just like that. But it was all wet inside, even though it was half submerged, and it won't start back up. So I'm gonna wait for it to completely dry out and see what happens. It's covered by warranty, so I'll send it in if need be. But wow, crazy, huh? But the drone crashed right down there, right there, on the shoreline where the pine needles are. Anyway, bummer. I wanted to show y'all more footage of this lake, Parsons Lake, but not to be. So it's back on the bike I go. And Jonathan's patiently waiting for me.
Cool.
And this is a beautiful trail, by the way. If you guys are in the this area, look up Herb Parsons. And the bike trails, they have 3 different kinds. There's the green, which we're on. There's a yellow. What was the other color, Jonathan? Green, yellow, blue, red. Yeah, the green one is more difficult. So instead of going to the Oxford, Mississippi trail, this one is just as comparable. I thought that was the best, but I'm going to give this one the top billing. So more to come.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Couldn't see that. Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd, and I think without eyes, her just perfect. Yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here. It took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. And a friend of a friend, never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place or a spring break, a heartache, I'll do it all over again. Do it all over Tell me a lie, and I'll tell you too. I say that I'm happy for the two of you. You wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy for
That is our journey. This Herb Parsons is my #1 pick. How about you, Jonathan?
Oh yeah, this is great.
Best ever, huh?
Nice and close by too.
Yeah, it's only about 15 minutes from where I dwell, and the only bad thing about this thing was I might have lost my drone in the water, but it's drying out and we'll see what happens. Things happen, and plus the fact I went off and forgot my phone.
Oh no!
Go figure. Anyway, great time here at Herb Parsons.
Silly 80.